Friends, myself Vishnu Samotia, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Program BSc B.Ed 8th Sem, Session Law of Absorption. Now we discuss first law or Beer's law. When a monochromatic radiation is passed through a solution that decreases in the intensity of radiation with the thickness of the solution is directly proportional to the intensity of the incident light as well as concentration of the solution. So that it can be represented in mathematically form are given below. Minus di upon dx is directly proportional to c dot I. So minus di upon dx is equal to k dash c dot I. Let's I be the intensity of incident radiation and x be the thickness of the solution and c be the concentration of the solution. Then k dash is equal to integral constant with is also known as molar absorption coefficient and depends upon the nature of absorbing medium. Then integrate equation between limits I is equal to I naught and x is equal to 0. So we get ln I upon I naught is equal to minus k dash c dot I. 2.303 log I naught upon I is equal to k dot c dot I. So log I naught upon I is equal to A. A are absorbance and k upon 2.303 is equal to E are molar extension coefficient. So A is equal to ECIR Beer's law. Therefore, molar extension coefficient or molar absorbability is equivalent of the absorbance produced by the layer of 1 cm thickness of solution having 1 gram mole concentration. Next, A is equal to ECI. So T is equal to I upon I naught or log T is equal to I upon I naught is equal to A. From the equation it is seen that the absorbance width is also called a optically density OD of a solution is a container of fixed path length is directly proportional to the concentration of the solution. Clear? So Beer's law are A is equal to E dot C dot I. E are molar extension coefficient, C is equal to absorbing molar concentration of a solution and I is equal to intensity of incident radiation. Next law are Beer-Lambert's law. The combined law states that the amount of light absorbed is proportional to the concentration of the absorbing substance and to the thickness of the absorbing material. So A is equal to EBC. A are absorbance, E are molar absorbability with units of liter per mole centimeter. B is equal to path length of a sample. C is equal to concentration of a compound in solution expressed in mole per liter. Clear? Okay.